Hello. So basically, this is the project idea for Lidar human detection. So this project basically capable of detecting humans and persons from a Lidar sensor data. So whatever Lidar sensor data will be form of image or video, like two form of data it can detect for image or video. So whatever input source you will be provide, that will be based on YOLO algorithm. It will be make the prediction where the human are detected, and based on the density of humans, it will tell you the crowdy status of that particular area is the based on lidar detection. So basically we have trained YOLO algorithm on top of lidar dataset, or we have created our dataset by own. So this is the basically home screen for our project. So first one is image detection module. So once I click the image detection module, it will get open. So this is the image detection module. So first we need to select the image. So I have provided certain images in the test folder. Okay. So it also able to detect thermal images, lidar based images, as well as it can also detect the crowd from general normal image in the sense normal camera data images. Let's suppose this is one of the normal camera image. Okay, so our algorithm is capable of detecting persons from this type of image as well. As you can see, this is the input image and this is the threshold value. You can adjust the threshold value. As higher threshold value you set, it will prevent the it will ask algorithm to predict higher accuracy. Okay, with that higher threshold value, as low you go, so it will predict as low threshold, it will show the outputs for as less than threshold value. Okay, so we'll keep zero point 0.2, or we can 0.2 is a good number. Okay, or 0.25, and you just have to click on run detection. Once you click on run detection, as you can see, there are 12 persons has been detected, and crowded status is, yeah, it is high density. Okay, as per the road. And here is the detected object list. Okay, similarly you can pass some kind of thermal images as well. Just like we do have this one is thermal image. You can just set the threshold value and just run the detection. Once you run the detection, as you can see, 4 humans has been detected and crowd status is medium. Okay, similarly you can also upload some higher number of people's images as well. Just like suppose this one is the highest peoples are there. Lidar image is this one. Okay, so just click on run detection. Once you click on run detection, as you can see, total 186 humans has been detected. Okay, with this 0.25 threshold value. As you go lower, let's suppose go with 0.12, which is very low threshold value. So now you can see almost 268% has been detected, as we have set it very less threshold value, and it has now considered very low predicted object it also showing. Okay, that is why number has been increased. Okay, so this is the only all list of humans has been detected with their coordinates. Okay, so this one is for image based detection. Similarly, we have a module video based detection. So in the video based detection, you can pass a general normal camera video as well as a lidar sensor camera video as well. Okay, so I have one of the lidar sensor data. Let's go inside the test data folder. There is a videos section is there. So in the video section there is a test video is there. Okay, so once you select, then you have to click on play. Okay, so once you click on play, it will start detecting from the input source. Okay, so there's a one error occurred, just a second. So yeah, once you select the video, you have to click on play button. As you clicked on play button, it will start taking input frames frame by frame from video, and start detecting and show the result. As you can see in this input frame, it's very difficult to detect the persons, okay, but still our system is detecting. But if you make threshold value less, then it will start detecting more person, as it consider less accurate result as well. As low threshold you will go, you will find more predicted persons, but it will less accurate, okay. So as you can see, it is now detecting like this way, and you can also check the crowd status, okay. Similarly, if you want to speed up the process, you can process, or you can increase this every n frame prediction, okay. So whatever number of n frame prediction you will set, it will only process that frame only. As you can see now, it only process every 9 frames only, okay. So this way you can control the threshold in real time, and you can also check the real time crowd status, and also update the threshold values, okay. You can also pause the video, play the video, or stop it, okay. It's all media control is there, okay. So this is for the project for the thermal human detection, okay. So, so the base language we have used is Python, okay, and we have collected different data sets from RoboFlow, and we have also created our own data set. And YOLO algorithm has been trained, YOLO version 8, okay. And so yeah, this is about the project.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.